Hello dear friends, trick number 451 and I am here with an important problem of profit and loss. Students of class 8 and above, they will be greatly benefited by this shortcut, and obviously in competitions you find a lot of such problems being asked. If you solve this by traditional method, obviously it is going to consume 2 minutes time even if you know the procedure very well, because it involves use of lengthy formulas and calculations also. But through this shortcut, you will be able to solve this question in a matter of hardly 10 seconds time. Now the problem goes like this. By reducing the selling price of an item by a particular amount, in this case we are taking 50 rupees. So we are reducing the selling price a profit of 5%. Earlier there used to be a profit of 5%, but once we have reduced the selling price of the item, then that profit of 5% gets converted into a loss of 5%. And now we need to find the original selling price, or you can be asked to find the selling cost price of the item also. So how to find the original selling price? So I'm going to deal with only the shortcut method so that it becomes important and very applicable to all the competitive exams. See, we need to find the original selling price. So if we assume that the original selling price of the item is X rupees, then on the left hand side you take the original selling price, and on the right hand side you take the increased or reduced selling price. Now here we are reducing the selling price, so X is reduced by some amount and that amount is rupees 50. So X minus 50 will come on the right hand side. Simultaneously, on the left hand side, in the denominator, the term we will have is, like here we are having a profit of 5%. So anything which costed 100%, now we are getting 105% of that, because profit is always positive. So 100 plus 5, 105%. So we will write 105 here, and on the RHS, once we have reduced the selling price, loss of 5%. So 100% will get reduced to 100 minus 5, that is 95. And that's it. This is the equation we wanted, and now we can solve this very easily. You can cancel this, the common term 5 common factors, so 21 and 19. So if you cross multiply this one, you will get 21x minus 21 into 50 equal to 19 into x. So this becomes 2x equal to 21 into 50, or x can be found out by multiplying 21 and 25, because 2 gets cancelled with 50. So 21 and 25, very easy now. That implies the selling price, original selling price, 25 into 125, 52 carry and 52. So 525 rupees is the answer for this important problem of profit and loss. So you see, this equation is very important, and how to arrive at this equation I have told you through the shortcut without use of any formula. Let's take one more such problem. Now here, instead of reducing the selling price, we are increasing the selling price. So if you assume that the original selling price is rupees X, then on the left hand side we will take X, and on the right hand side we are increasing the selling price by rupees 33. So X plus 33. Here it was reduced, so X minus 50. Here it is being increased, so X plus 33. Now in the denominator here we have a profit of 12%. So 100 plus 12, 112. And here we have profit of 14%. So 100 plus 14, that is 114. Why we are adding here? Because both are profits. But here we had a profit and a loss. Profit is always added to 100 and loss is always subtracted from 100. Now the things are very easy. Just cancel this common factor 56. We are cancelling this by 2. This by 2, 57. And now cross multiply, 57x will be equal to 56x plus 33 into 56. So x this gets subtracted. So x is 33 into 56. So therefore the selling price of the item will come out to be, you have to just multiply this. You can use the Vedic method here. 6 is 18, 8, 1 carry. 18 plus 13, 18 plus 15 is 33, 34. 4 3 carry, 5 3 is 15 plus 3, 18. So 1848 rupees is the original selling price of the item. So you see students, knowledge of such shortcuts do help you save a lot of time in competitions, and these problems, if solved through traditional method, are going to consume a lot of time. So save time, learn these shortcuts, and if you like the video, do share it with your friends and subscribe the channel.